I'm Ron Carter from Cascade Lighting, and today I'd like to talk to you about choosing the right wire size for your landscape lighting job. Lately, I've seen a lot of pictures on social media that contractors have posted of nightmares they've had to go in and repair. And in a lot of cases, it was because the wrong size wire was utilized. You have to use the right size wire when you're doing lighting jobs. And the way to understand this is by getting familiar with the National Electric Code and what they say about wiring. And they say that whatever power transmission source you're using, meaning the transformer, that the wire that runs from the transformer out into the property to connect to the fixtures has to have the same ampacity rating as the breaker protection on the transformer. So if the transformer has a 25 amp breaker, then you need to use wire that's rated at 25 amps, and that's 12 gauge. If you try to use 16 gauge wire to save money or for whatever reason, that only has a 13 amp rating. And if that were to surge, it's not going to create greater than a 13 amp surge, and that may not trip the breaker. And that's just going to cause a meltdown or cause some other problems or even a fire. So please use the right size wire gauge in your lighting jobs. The other thing I like to mention is when you cut wire. When you cut stranded wire for landscape lighting, you need to use a good sharp tool. I like a tool like this. And you can easily put the wire in there and get a good solid cut without having any little copper flakes falling down on the ground. Because you can easily turn 12 gauge wire into 14 or even 16 depending upon how much wires you clip off of there. So that's today's tip. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Ron Carter from Cascade Lighting. See you next time.